Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn about the parts of a cell. Let's start. So the first part is going to be the nucleus. It is a dark colored spherical or oval dot-like structure near the center of a cell. It plays a central role in cellular activities or reproduction. Here, this is called as the chromatin material. It gets organized into chromosomes. The chromosomes contain information for inheritance of features from parents to next generation in the form of DNA. So let's move on to the next topic. And also the nucleus is called as the brain of the cell. Why? Because it controls, it directs and regulates the cell's functions and which holds the genetic information. So due to these functions, it is called as the brain of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum. The second part is the endoplasmic reticulum. It is basically divided into two types, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is actually a large network of membrane-bound tubules and vesicles. First, we'll learn about these two types. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. It looks rough because of the ribosomes that are attached to this surface. Let me just mark this on this diagram. These small dot-like structures are called as the ribosomes. Because of their presence on this rough endoplasmic reticulum, they are looking rough. So they appear rough. These are the sites of protein synthesis. Another major difference is they synthesize protein. They synthesize protein. While the smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not contain any ribosomes on it, so it appears smooth, and also it synthesizes fat. They are the sites of fat synthesis. So they synthesize fats, and rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes proteins. So this is the basic difference between smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now the next part is the Golgi apparatus. It was actually first described by the scientist called as Camillo Golgi. So it is named after him. It is actually a system of membrane-bound vesicles called as cisterns. Its functions include the storage, modification, and packaging of cell products. So that's why it is called as the storage and transport company. We can compare this part to storage and transport company. And it is also involved in the formation of lysosomes. It produces lysosomes. So what is lysosomes? We'll learn it now. What are ribosomes? They contain membrane-bound sacs. They contain membrane-bound sacs with powerful digestive enzymes, which are made up by the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So they contain the enzymes which are made by the rough endoplasmic reticulum. You have already learnt about the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So these are made by the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why are they made? They are made to digest the worn out cell organelles. That means when the cell gets damaged, lysosomes may burst and the enzymes digest their own cell. So that's why they are called as the suicide bags of a cell. You may get a question like, why are they called as the suicide bags of a cell? Then you have to say that when the cell gets damaged, the lysosomes may burst and the enzymes digest their own cell. So hence it is called as a suicidal bag of a cell. It is also a waste disposal system of a cell. So it disposes waste. And the last topic we are going to cover today is the mitochondria. What is mitochondria? It is covered by a double membrane. Outer membrane is very porous and the inner membrane is deeply folded. So this part is very porous and this part is deeply folded, as you can see here. These folds create a large surface area for adenosine triphosphate molecule synthesis. ATP is the energy currency of the cell, hence the mitochondria are called as the powerhouse of a cell. They are also called as the powerhouses of a cell. So mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes. They have their own DNA and ribosomes, so they can make their own proteins. So they don't need any help from other cell to produce proteins. They can make their own proteins. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you and have a nice day.